little bit. Let's see here. The state law, are you aware that the state law requires that when you use, well, strike that. State law, when you use LDs, requires the chairman to be part of the executive committee, correct?
Yes, if the decision by the party is to create legislative districts, they automatically become part of the EGC.
Okay. And what we're looking here, I believe if I recall correctly, Defense Exhibit 9 or 7, I'm sorry, Plaintiff's Exhibit 7, the Maricopa County
I think it's 12.
Republican Committee bylaw.
It's Plaintiff's 12.
I'm sorry, I keep making that mistake.
Year 7. All right, so Plaintiff's 12.
All right, I've changed my notes, so hopefully I don't make that mistake again. And so Section 4 specifically talks about districts, doesn't it?
District chairman.
Yes. And then it goes through just various points regarding a district chairman, correct, including the duties of the district chair?
Correct.
All right. Now, there was testimony yesterday that in even-numbered years, district chairs are required to hold meetings at least 10 times per year, as opposed to even-numbered years, which only require 6. Are you familiar with that?
Yes.
Okay, and that's a requirement then that the MCRC imposes on district chairs, correct?
Correct.
And so, why?
Objection relevance.
Do you know why?
Overall.
It's the Republican Party sets up to do a job, right? And that's to convince voters to go out and vote and elect Republicans. So when these bylaws were created, the objective is that we set a standard of that participation.
Okay.
So this is the bylaws can be thought of as a guidance document on how to operate your activities. Okay. And how to settle disputes that are not settled by statute or the U.S. Constitution.
Okay. And so the 10 times per year has the Zarni Political Action Committee met 10 times this year?
Objection foundation.
Have you heard the testimony?
I don't know. You have to lay some foundation. I don't know.
Not that I know of, but I don't participate, so I couldn't give you firsthand knowledge.
All right. Did you hear the testimony that was given yesterday by, oh my gosh, I just had a brain cramp. Which witness was that? Susan Wood?
Yes.
Where she talked about how many meetings
Yes.
the Political Action Committee has had?
Yes.
And do you recall how many it was?
Objection. What's the relevance of this? In commenting on what another witness said.
Well, the relevance is, Your Honor, that that particular witness said that the MCRC actually has no authority whatsoever over legislative districts. And we're talking about these very bylaws which make specific requirements for legislative districts because they actually create the legislative districts. And so
I can read the bylaws. I don't need to know any more on this. It's not helpful to the issue of who's the chair.
all right.
So the objection sustained.
All right. And so if we go